Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to install BlueStacks in Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, first, open the Chrome browser and search for BlueStacks. Click on the first link in the search results and visit the official BlueStacks website. And after clicking on the link, you will land on this website. Now, just go ahead and click on Download BlueStacks, and you're set up. .exe file will be downloaded successfully. Now just go ahead and click on the Setup .exe file to run the setup wizard. Just click on Yes if prompted. And now your BlueStacks setup wizard will appear. You can change the installation directory. Just go ahead and click on this change icon and here click on Change Folder. Now select any folder that you want to install BlueStacks to. So in my case, I want to set it to local DD. And after selecting your folder, just go ahead and click on OK. And once you have done that, you can just click on Back. And here, just read through the terms and conditions, and after reading, just go ahead and click on Agree and Install. Now BlueStacks will start downloading. Just wait while BlueStacks downloads and installs the required files. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and your system performance. And after everything is finished, BlueStack will launch automatically. The first launch may take a bit longer because it is setting up the Android environment for the first time. So be patient and just wait for BlueStack to open automatically. And here you can see the BlueStack is opening. And here it is. I'm just going to go ahead and maximize the window by just clicking on Maximize. And now here we are in the BlueStack dashboard. Now, to go to the home of the BlueStack, just click on the home icon at the top of the screen, and you will successfully land on the home page. Now go to System Apps, and here you have Camera Settings, Chrome, Media Manager, and the Play Store. If you want to download any apps, you can just go to the Play Store and log in or sign in with your Google account and start downloading your Android apps in your Windows. And that's it. That's how you install BlueStacks in Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Reel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next.